Let me guess, you want to start YouTube, but you don't have a camera, you don't have nice camera, you don't have nice studio, and you don't even want to, you feel like you don't want to show your face. I get it. Here is the truth. Your phone is already a full studio. In this video, I'll show you 7 faceless YouTube ideas you can start right now using just your phone and free AI tools. No camera, no stress, no excuses. Let's get into it. Here is number 1, AI history channel. The first on my list today is AI storytelling. You have probably seen videos where historical figures are talking like they are alive. Yeah, those ones. Here is how you can do it, all right? Use ChatGPT to write a short story, maybe about a war, a king, or a mystery. Then generate images using AI, and you use tools like HeyGen or Didi to make the images talk. It feels like a movie, but you didn't record anything. That's why this niche is blowing up. The second on my list today is Faceless Tech Tutorial. This one is my favorite. You can teach people how to use apps like CapCut, like WhatsApp, or any trending AI tools just by recording your screen, and that's it. People don't care about your face. They just want solution. If you want to use your, even if you don't use your voice, you can use AI voice, screen record, edit in CapCut, post. Simple. Here is my number 3, brain/lo-fi channel. If you want something very easy, do this. Create relaxing videos, rain sound, poses, study vibe. You don't even need real footage. Just generate a nice scene with AI, like a rainy window or cozy library. Then add soft background sound. Loop it for like 10 seconds. People will play it while studying or sleeping. Easy view. Here is idea number 4, motivational videos. You have seen those dark motivation videos, black background, bold text, deep voice. Those videos go viral a lot. Use CapCut or Canva templates, add strong quotes. You can even generate them with AI. Keep it short, emotional, and powerful. This one spread fast. Here is my idea number 5. Number 5, quiz driver. This one is very addictive. Quiz videos like pick one or can you answer this? Use ChatGPT to create questions, then design simple slides in Canva. Add a countdown sound like 5 seconds. It keeps people watching till the end. Here is ideas number 6, story horror channel. People love stories, especially scary one. You can take trending stories online. Just make sure you give credit, then turn it into a video. Use simple background videos like gameplay or relaxing clips. Add text on screen. Use an AI voice to narrate. That deep voice makes it even better. All right, here is my idea number 7, AI news content. Well, let's talk about news tools are coming out every day. You don't need to be an expert. Just show the tool, explain what it does, and give examples. You are helping people understand what is going on. That alone is value. All right, listen, the biggest mistake people make is waiting for camera, waiting for setup, waiting for the perfect time. You don't need all that. Your phone is enough. If you want me to show you exactly how I use CapCut and ChatGPT step by step, comment mobile AI below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like it. I'm blessed, and I will see you in my next one.